Hey guys, welcome. And this is how to fix Teams not showing video of other person. So guys, if you ever encounter that issue, that means your friend that you are in a call with have a low internet connection, or either it's you have a low internet connection. So just make sure you have a strong internet connection for this to be work. But somehow, if you are still not seeing your friend video, what you could try to do is just simply reset the Chrome on your web browser. So just simply go to the three dots on the top right, and you could just simply go to the settings. And now here you could just simply go ahead and go for privacy and security, and you will have here delete browsing data. So guys, from here you could just simply go ahead and select all time over here on your browsing data, and after that guys, this will give your Chrome more space to process the video, and this should fix the issue.